Somebody called Dean Salmoncast right now because I am scared. I'm just watching the videos and I'm scared, man.
I went, oh yeah, I get him on my video. Ethan, say hi to my vlog. Yo!
Support the purge.
Purge! Why did I just yell that? I'm such an idiot.
Get ready.
Oh, no.
Remember, ladies and gentlemen, all emergency services have been suspended. So don't even think about dialing 911.
Oh my God, right there, right there.
All of us.
Since Caitlin didn't sign off the vlog, I'm just gonna show you a bunch of white people memes. So guys, it's like really early in the morning, and I'd really appreciate it if you guys would hit that subscribe button and like this video and leave a comment, just criticism, like nice criticism, like helpful criticism, not like mean things or anything, or like a suggestion. Just comment, and I'm gonna set up like a whole entire like email if you guys want to email. No, I'm just kidding. Nobody's gonna email me, so I'm not gonna do that. So, yep. Bye. Good night. I cannot wait to go to sleep. It's like 5. Yeah, it's 5:38 in the morning, and I've been editing this since 2 o'clock. I need to get a life. Bye. Okay, bye.